Stop saving all your money in the bank. Stop saving all your money in the bank. You are losing out, right? People are cashing out just by saving money in this country. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 4 high interest savings accounts. 4 high interest savings accounts that give you as high as 30% interest when you save money. You are going to get as high as 30% interest when you save money with these apps or savings accounts. Now, the first one and the most popular one is Piggyvest. Piggyvest is a good app, it's a legit app that has been around since 2018. I've personally been using Piggyvest since 2019, and you can save with Piggyvest and get as high as 22% interest on your savings, right? The good thing about Piggyvest is that Piggyvest has a lot of savings feature. For instance, you can use the safe lock feature where you lock your money for 1 year. You will not be able to access the money for 1 year until 1 year. But the good thing is that when you use the safe lock feature, you get like 20% interest. And it's paid to you upfront. So, for instance, if you save 1 million, you are getting 200k instant. You are being paid your interest upfront, but then you'll not be able to access the money until after 1 year. You can use the Naira Flex wallet. You can use the Flex Dollar wallet. And Flex Dollar wallet give you like 7% interest, and they allow you to save in dollars. The Flex Naira allow you to access your money anytime, but you get like 12% interest. But then anytime you can access your money, unlike the safe lock, right? So if you want to know how to use Piggyvest to save and invest, I'll be dropping a video in the description of the video. Just check the description. You'll be seeing a video on how to use Piggyvest. Just go and watch it, and you get more information about Piggyvest. The second one is called PalmPay. PalmPay is a good app that gives between 10 to 12% interest per annum. So you can save with your PalmPay app. Just go to the wealth section of the app, download PalmPay. You'll see wealth section below. Click on the wealth section and you can see savings. You can lock the money if you like. You can decide not to lock it. But every month you'll be getting interest, and you get like 10 to 12% interest when you save with PalmPay. Then the third one is Bamboo app. Now, I personally use Bamboo to save in the US stock market, to invest in the US stock market rather. But you can save with Bamboo. And Bamboo gives as high as 18% interest per annum. I don't think any Nigerian bank give that, or any bank give that when you just save your money. But you can save with Bamboo and get as high as 18% interest when you save with them. So download the Bamboo app, register, do your KYC, and you can start saving with them. And the good thing is that you can always access your money anytime. You don't need to lock it. And the final one is called Fair Money. Now, Fair Money gives as high as 30% interest. So if you save 1 million naira of Fair Money, it means you are getting 300,000 naira as interest. Now, to be truthful, among all these apps, the only one I'm not familiar with is Fair Money. I personally have not used Fair Money before, but I've seen people that have used it. I've done research about it. I have personally used Piggyvest to save. I've used PalmPay. I personally use PalmPay to do my transactions. I've used Bamboo to invest, and I've withdrawn from Bamboo, but I have never used Fair Money, right? Fair Money gives as high as 30% interest, right? I'm just okay with the ones I'm using. So before you use any of these apps I've mentioned, anything I've said in this video is not a financial advice. I'm just telling you from my experience and from my research. So before you do anything, before you make any financial decision, you can consult your financial advisor, or you can do more research and make investment or savings decision based on your research and your personal decision. But I don't think it's a good idea to save all your money in the bank. You should have some invested, or you should have some saved, and you'll be getting interest. It is better that way. Learn to have your money work for you. So these are 4 high interest savings accounts in Nigeria now: Piggyvest, PalmPay, Bamboo, and Fair Money. And when you save with these apps, you'll be getting interest monthly, and you can withdraw this money to your bank account. If I watched this video to this level, I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching. My name is Otone. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and make sure you turn the notification bell. God bless you.